Most people don't know that about 20% of the paper they're recycling is actually thrown out. After paper has been recycled over and over, the fibers become too degraded to use again, and it is essentially waste. It ends up here at the Edmonton Waste Management Centre. This recycling facility ends up actually paying to have this paper waste sent to landfills. I'm Crystal Theodore from Upcycled Aromatics, and we can take that paper waste off the hands of the recycling facility and turn it into profit.
Upcycled Aromatics is a startup biotech company that specializes in the conversion of recycled waste paper into high-value platform chemicals using our advanced bacterial conversion technology. One of the more important chemicals we produce is shikimic acid, the precursor for the blockbuster drug Tamiflu. Tamiflu is produced by the Swiss pharmaceutical giant Roche. This patent expires in 2016. Our biologically engineered bacteria use paper waste that is normally dumped into landfills and converts it into chemical used in pharmaceuticals, agriculture, and plastic industry.
Our process is exciting and unique in that it fits into one standard-sized shipping container. We attach this container to the end of the paper recycling plant to obtain our feedstock right at the site. This cuts down on our cost of transportation and our cost of water removal. Every year we can produce 106 metric tons of hydroxycinnamic acid, 130 metric tons of cinnamic acid, and 15 metric tons of shikimic acid. Just to give you a rough idea of how much money we can make, currently 1 ton of shikimic acid sells for about $300,000. That means we can make $4.5 million a year revenue just from shikimic acid, and that's just from one operation. All of the chemicals that our bacteria produce are from the Shikimate pathway. This allows us to selectively produce one chemical over the other, depending on the markets. If the market for cinnamic acid is up, we can produce more cinnamic acid. As we open our first pilot plant here in Edmonton, what are the main points that you should consider? First of all, our feedstock is free and abundant. Our technology can selectively produce the most valuable chemicals depending on the market, and it all fits into one standard-sized shipping container that allows us to be highly mobile and reproducible. And most of all, the patent for Tamiflu expires in 2016. Perfect time for Upcycled Aromatics to get into the valuable generic drug market.